Oh my God, it's so cold. Now I have to get an extension cord to run all the way out there, which is gonna be fun. It is so cold. I did leave my train horn on, that's my issue. Because right when I started it, the air compressor started to try to air up. And that kind of makes me nervous though, because I don't think that train horn is gonna last very long in this cold. If there's any moisture in that tank or anywhere, or even in the lines or something, like, this thing's pretty much good as toast. So hopefully that's not the issue, where they won't work again, but if it is, then, well, whatever, I guess. So we're gonna let this charge up. All right, guys, it's freezing cold out, like I said, but I think it might be cold enough where the pond might have froze over enough, or froze enough. I shouldn't say froze over because it was froze over, but it's frozen enough where I might be able to take the four-wheeler on it. So I'm gonna go check that out and see what happens. My four-wheeler's been running for at least a good 30 minutes now, so she should be good and warm. I hope I'm gonna get a drill. I'm gonna drill through the ice because I really want to take this thing on the ice so bad. It says it's like negative. It's like 16, I want to say, or whatever, but it's like registering or whatever. The wind chill is like -6, so it feels like -6 or whatever. So the pond might be frozen enough where I feel comfortable taking something on it, but I'm from Indiana, so like how often I'm able to do this is not very often. So I'm a little nervous. I might have to call some of my buddies that know what the limit is, or know what's probably the best limit before I put my fat ass out there. But we might just send it. I don't know yet. We got to go measure it and see what happens. This could be good. Grandma's already on my ass. Oh, easy. Oh, easy. Oh, they're getting on my ass. I told...
Hey, and if you lose that in the pond,
Yeah.
you're giving Grandma the cash to pay for it. Just so you know.
Okay. If I send it from end to end, if I go fast enough, the ice won't crack fast enough for me to not get across. Dude, this is why my childhood I like had ratchet straps on top of ratchet straps just so things wouldn't go anywhere. The man's a safety knot. How,
Maybe tie a long rope to the back end.
dude, Dad, if I send it and I fail in the middle of this, one, I'm gonna have it on video where I'm gonna make enough from my stupidity to buy another four-wheeler, and two, it's just funny.
You realize if it does go through, all your muscles are just going to tense up and you will not be able to swim out.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Dude, quit being a baby.
All right, go do it then.
Okay, who's filming me? Hey, what do you think? Should I do it? Should I send it? What do you think, Pepe? Should I send it? Yeah, she's for it. I'm gonna set you guys up in a spot, and we're going across this pond today.
Ay, ay. Look. I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be.
All right, friends, let's see if my truck starts. I have hope. I have hope. Nothing. Nothing at all. What did I do? Did I unplug it? These cables are not on good enough. There's no way. Oh, it says it's charging. Which is weird though, because like it's I'm gonna try engine start. I mean, my alternator could be going out, to be honest with you. Who knows? Because literally have everything. Oh, here we go. The engine start wants to do it, so I'm just gonna let it trickle charge for a little longer. Rock lights turn on, everything turns on, so I'm just gonna Sure. I don't know what's going on. I gotta put more gas in the four-wheeler though, because then I put like 2 drops in apparently. So here we go again. Set you guys down.
J with the hate mail. Been doing good on the merch sale. All this bread on me look like a bake sale. Tell her your what's really good. I'll be really good on a jaw jack. Send an email about the bread. I'ma hit you back with the call back. I'm too cool for the rules, baby.